Hi, let us talk about a new interesting fact in Python. So, please take a closer look at the Python program and try to guess the output of this. When you run this program in Python, you will get the output as true. So, do you know how do you get this output? Because in Python, we have used in, which is worked as a membership operator. So it checks whether a value exists in a sequence or not. So it means if we have written for I in 1, 3, 5, 10, it means for I equal to 1 or I equal to 3 or I equal to 5 or I equal to 10. Those of us who are coming from C++ or Java background, we find it very convenient because we don't have any membership operator in C++ and Java. This is how we simplify the if statement in Python. Hope you enjoyed the video, and next video we will discuss another interesting fact.